Well, so I'm passing my best regard greeting to all of the South Sudanese from wherever you are. So this message is directly going to all citizens of South Sudan and to the African Union, Gaat, international community. My message, especially for the South Sudanese citizen, I'm begging all of you so that don't let your energy to be flayed for useless or violent things or violent activity by the government. I'm begging all of you to prioritize peace in our country so that peace is the only weapon that can promote the accountability for our country and can bring us the stable toward the peace process. This message, I'm actually begging you to stand firm and be loyal to whatever you wish to do in your country. I'm begging all of your boys, especially you, the young generation, your voice and your social media, or what you are going to play to social media, is the only thing that can build the bridge to this country or to the success of this country. So this is only the little thing that I just want to say, or that I just want to pass to the citizens of just South Sudan. So second to that, is going to African Union or international community or TRICA. So my message is to you is that the country now is looking forward to do the election, and we have a lot of issues that didn't complete it. So the arrangement of the unified force and deployment of unified force is still incomplete in the country, and the government is looking forward to do the election in 2026. So we do beg you to take the action or take the intervention on this activity. The government of South Sudan has blocked all the political parties, all other politician parties, to even not stand to their specific parties. They block the movement and they block the assembly for every party, only implementing their activity to be implemented, while other parties are included in the election and are still participating. They block every chain of communication through every each party. So the large number of the citizens of South Sudan are currently in IDP camps and in neighboring states, while the massive number of the IDPs are the people that we need to vote for this election. So we need you to have action on all this activity, and this is the message that we want to tell you so that you can take an action regardless of all the activity that has been doing by the leading party, which is SPLM in government. So we beg you to take action regardless of the judicial that is going on in the country. So our chairman is under detention, and if he didn't release from that detention, we see no resolution for the peace, because they are the signatory of the peace agreement in 2018 peace agreement. So we need you to do any implementation regarding the shame trial or the shame judiciary that is going on currently in the country. So we need you to take serious action to release all the detainees from the jail and to implement the peace agreement, so that if our chairman is currently released, so the election will go smoothly. Without releasing him, we see no reason for the election. So this boy Fokmon, advisor from Walaga University, current Minister of Gender and Social Welfare in National State. Thank you very much.
I stand with you today for those of South Sudanese citizens. That I want to encourage all citizens of South Sudanese. I want to tell you that as we are here to facilitate or to celebrate or to launch the T-shirt that we were designing before, then we came before you to tell you that everything in these countries or in our countries, which is called the Republic of South Sudan, then I stand before you because I want to tell you to minimize the corruption. Then we need the peace as we are South Sudanese citizens. The thing that I want to analyze or to elaborate is I want to talk with your language because it is good to elaborate all things. Thank you. Chilare test kigo gurga ba ruan mi check na mabalat general akwarga wala ga university ka student da gwamna na chero do ga rik min go rabalat ku kwarameta ka min tayen wala ka bulwa awazares then min gor ko kay yen nuoro ko dial da gwamna ko ken kare diaspora ne kare ne dial ngol ndo gwamna ko mane dial ngot ko South Sudan ndam kuigo min dialat tin ne yene dialan to gajan fan no gorge ja ibran ke lo be boyti yinat kuigo ba koran ba lo wo mane dialan ko ken tin ba jo me wolim kuigo gorge ja min la ne gwamna la ne kuigo ba ga new South Sudan ba no ko la ne nyok ku faade ko mi check na nyok faade na me dare ko kuine ni dial kala ramu da den mi ko yang no mi ko ignore ko mi ngere dial tin da de ko kun mi chet kana mo yen use dial amani yen dial tin gor gore gwano bi nyede bi fresh ko ku tin dial tin ngiji bilat nyam tong mi ko jen jela chenyo mi bi mundan bi nyoko lo mara ko eneme chelet ko kuido karo ke chelet ko kuidor ke lere ko kuiso dan ke le ne dial tin bero nyame lingu kuigo biangaje gwa parna me lere ko kui ne dial tin taga so dan lere ko kuiji so dan dial chelet ko kuidor ke karo da awol mo dunu gwa mi se joji chiro ni mi je ko jaga gwa de dian ko baanga je dan morotun ko ken thank you
chơi 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 đi long video là quay na exhaust của quay rồi